Hi, I'm Natalie, and this is my nursing home review. I chose Hearthstone Health Care Center because I am familiar with it and some of their employees. I was pleasantly surprised to see that they updated the inside. They added areas where residents can watch movies, play billiards, or shoot hoops. This facility offers short-term care as well as long-term care, and I focused on the side that offers the long-term care. They are Medicare Medicaid certified, and they offer many levels of care. They do offer memory care. If residents tend to wander, they have a system called WanderGuard. The resident wears a band that will alert the staff when they approach any exit and closes the interior doors to prevent elopement. The residents were dressed appropriately for the temperature in the building and the time of day. It was not overwhelming with odors, but that's not to say an occasional odor did not exist. Overall, it is very clean and well lit. The staff was friendly with the residents, ensuring to wear a name badge. They knock on doors prior to entry and address the residents by their names. The facility does offer continuing education for the staff and performs annual checkoffs for different skills that are required. They also perform background checks on employees, ensuring not to hire people with criminal backgrounds. There is always at least one RN on staff at the facility. The CNAs frequently report to the nurse, which helps in their care plan. There has not been any turnover with the management team for the last year. The residents have an option for a private room or shared room. There are not as many private rooms available, and there's not much room in the for personal furniture. Residents are provided with a closet and a dresser. They often do not get to choose their roommates because it's based off of what is available. The shared rooms only have one window, so the other residents may not have a window. The exits are clearly marked. There are several areas where family can sit and visit. The facility is wheelchair friendly throughout the entire building. The hallways have handrails and the bathrooms have pull rails. Residents can make requests for certain food. However, they do have certain planned meals for each meal. The dietary staff also works closely with the nursing staff to ensure that dietary needs are met, such as diabetic diet or low sodium diet or increased calories due to weight loss. The activities director is fully involved with all of the residents. She makes sure to visit with the residents that are not able to leave their room. She's always willing to take suggestions for outings or games, etc. The facility is very closely located to a hospital. You could easily walk there. They have a physician on staff that visits weekly and a nurse practitioner that visits 2 to 3 times per week. Residents can also see their own physician, and the facility helps to take residents to other specialty visits as well. As Thomas mentions in his book, this facility is quite institutionalized as well. All residents eat at the same time, woken around the same time, and placed in bed around the same time. I would recommend different mealtime options. I would also add more plants to give it a more relaxed feeling. And I also really like the idea of adding a bird cage to a central area for residents to visit and help in their care. As Thomas mentions, the healthy natural habitats consist of rich layers of biological diversity. I think it is important to include all of these aspects into the improvements of the facility. Thank you.